Hi, this is Dr. Steve Graves from the California State University at Northridge, the Geography and Environmental Studies Department. This is a video tutorial designed to help students use the online statistics tool called statskingdom.com to derive or calculate a series of basic descriptive statistics. So if you're in my class or one of my classes, you may find yourself here on an assignment page in which you're asked to do that. I will generally provide you with the data that you need to perform the assignment, so you can download that. For this assignment, it's already been downloaded or opened and filtered so that there are 272 rows of data. They are tax returns by zip code for Los Angeles County in the year 2017, and only the zip codes with more than 999 returns are included to keep very small or outliers out. And normally we could just copy and paste the data from these columns, all 272 rows, but the online calculator does not like the dollar signs that come from Excel, so you need to change the format of the data from custom to just plain number, not currency, nothing like that. And you could, if you want to, decrease the decimal point, because we don't really need those. So we have plain data. If you were using the desktop version of Microsoft Excel, it would look like this. Either way, all you need to do is at this point copy the 272 rows of data plus the column headers for the 6 columns. Put that on the clipboard and return to or go to statskingdom.com. In order to use the basic statistics or descriptive statistics calculator, click on Basic Stats, and from the drop-down menu select Descriptive Statistics. There are a large number of descriptive statistics that this calculator will do for you for my course, and this assignment, or most assignments, the ones that are already checked are adequate to our purposes. Depending on the assignment, you may want to check some of the additional ones, or you can just check all. For this assignment, and any other in which you are using multiple columns of data, the histogram and box plot graphics generator won't make sense, so you can turn those off. Click Enter Data from Excel, and because you have already copied the data, you can either Control V or click and paste to enter the data. At this point, you will probably only need to use to click Calculate. So go ahead and do that. And as I sort of expected, there is a blank readout. And if that happens, click Load Last Run, and then click Calculate once again. And just like that, the statistics, the descriptive statistics for each of the columns has appeared with a variety of outcomes. You may choose at this point to print the results if you want, or If you are in my class frequently, I will just ask you to grab a screen grab of this. You may want to zoom out a little bit so you can get the whole thing in, and submit that as evidence that you have completed this assignment. If you are asked to create a histogram, you may either continue using this particular web page or this calculator, or go over to the histogram maker. But what you need to do in that case is to clear your data and select just one of the columns at a time. For example, the income tax per return would be one. Copy it, come back to the statistics calculator, but turn on the histogram and perhaps the box plot, and once again paste the data one column at a time. Click calculate. It has given us the same data that we got before, but now a histogram, and notice the skewness is pretty strong here, and you can see with the histogram that the rich neighborhoods are really quite much more wealthy than those that are more common across Los Angeles. Once again, you may grab this as a screen grab, print it, or save the output graphic. This is a PNG, put it in a Word document, and then submit it for credit. That concludes this video tutorial.